guys, it's me, Fun with Parrots. This is my cocktail named Lemon, and this is my budgie named Sunny. She is super cute. Who's a cute bird? So, today we're gonna see how to teach your bird to spin. So, what you're gonna need is some seeds. What you're gonna need is some kind of tree your bird loves. I'm using this rice. You can see this in my last video. So you're just gonna use this seed. So you can use millet, but I don't have millet, so I'm just gonna use this. So now we're gonna teach Sunny how to spin. So basically what you're gonna do is lure them with the seed, and you're gonna spin the seed. So you're going to spin by following the seed. So I'm just gonna give him that. As you can see, they already started spinning because to follow the seed, they have to spin. So that's basically it. You just have to make them spin around more. I'm gonna get on to the video. I'm gonna show you in the video. Now he's done with the seed. Now I'm gonna no, you thief. Give me that. Sunny. Come on, little budgie. I took it from him. So what you're gonna do is take this tree and then spin it around again. Like he basically knows the concept on how to do it. So I'm just gonna feed and take by hand. Now basically he's just eating it, being a good girl. So now I have to get out Lemon because he was making a tantrum. Come on. Go. So now what you're gonna do is just lower them with the seed. You don't want it? You don't want it? Come on. You're such a cute bird. I'm gonna lower him and come back. I basically now just lowered him with the seed. He's being a good girl, and I'm gonna do the spin once again. Oh, you cheater. One sec. So that's it. You're just going to lower them with the seed. You like that? And now you're going to just slowly spin it. Aye. See, that's it. Your bird is learning how to spin. After some time, you're gonna put your seed and make it shorter like this. So they're still gonna go for it, but it's mostly by hand. So what you're gonna do is, I'm just gonna do that, make the stick shorter, and we're gonna make him spin. So that's basically it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. You have to practice it for a bit of time in order to get your bird to do it. So thanks for watching. Bye.